Hey Chloe, what are you up to, eh? I'm cooking my... Here I am. Here's the good old fire on this cold day. There's the pot. Have a coffee. That's some pork, a pork slice, pork steak, and some capsicum. And there's my piece of corn. Here's a Heritage Mark 5 BSI that I split the timber with. And hello again, how are you? I'm just enjoying myself, sitting here with the dogs. Got the fire going. It's overcast today, but it's a good day for it. And I'm having some fun. Here's Chloe, hey? What are you up to? What are you up to, hey? Chloe, don't sniff the blade, you might hurt yourself. Want to go and investigate the meat? You want to see it, hey? Chloe? I might move it a bit closer, but, you know. Oh, careful. Put this blade away, right there. And sit here and have a coffee. Sit here and have a coffee when the water boils. Having a good day. And there's Chloe again.